Picture perfect Wednesday here in West Michigan. Blue skies, warm temperatures about where they're supposed to be this time of year. But we're going to have a big change coming in the weather in the next 24 hours, especially on Lake Michigan. First off, though, we have showers and thunderstorms in sight. That's why the 13 weather ball is blinking bright. It's also blue. A little bit cooler weather in view on your Thursday.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And along the lake shore, winds are around 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts, but you can see along the beaches not too bad. Waves running about 1 foot on the south end of the lake to as high as 3 foot out at the buoys on the north part of our viewing area, Holland Channel. And you can see as it switches the camera there pointing southward, we could see those are about 1 foot waves there in the Holland area. The Earth Cam over in Grand Haven has the bigger waves, around 2 to 3 footers there right at the State Park Beach. South Haven, yeah, they're just little ripples there. But the waves are going to continue to build here overnight tonight. This is our wave model forecast. Anywhere here in the yellow, this is about 6 to 10 foot waves, a little bit less from Holland southward. This is throughout the night tonight. So from about 11 o'clock tonight through about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning is when the highest waves will be occurring. It's all because of a cold front that's off to our north and west that's going to be sliding on through tomorrow afternoon. The winds are increasing out of the south, and that's building those waves. And there's also a risk for severe weather tonight up over Minnesota. That will translate to our east tomorrow. I don't think we'll see any severe weather here because the showers are going to be occurring during the morning hours. Let's break it down. Here they come. This is 7 o'clock this evening. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some storms arriving in the northwest counties. That's been fairly consistent, and it will rain for about 3 or 4 hours, and then that'll be pretty much it. Other than an isolated sprinkle tomorrow evening, we have clear skies expected, lots of sunshine on Friday and Saturday as well. Rainfall, not going to see a ton, certainly not like we did the other night, maybe 3/4 of an inch across much of the area. Long range outlook, this is from August 22nd through the 26th at the end of our 10-day forecast. Still seeing warmer than average temperatures with high chances there will be less precipitation. So out on Lake Michigan, we're looking for small craft advisories to become gale warnings as the waves will be 1 to 2 feet. Climbing to 9 to 10 feet overnight, and gale warnings go in effect to the south at 11 o'clock tonight. Those waves will continue to build, and they'll be very, very treacherous all throughout the night and during the morning tomorrow. At the lakeshore, it'll be breezy, overnight lows in the mid and upper 60s with the thunderstorms coming in the northwest counties late tonight. Mostly clear and then cloudy late tonight up northern part of our viewing area, low 60s there. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, low in mid 60s for overnight lows. Breezier toward the lakeshore, but will be dry all night. 13 on your side forecast. 72 on Friday. That's unusually cool. But back above average Saturdays, it becomes humid in the afternoon and very humid next Monday and Tuesday. Very little, if any, chance of rain all the way through next to Thursday. Now, Thursday night and Friday, there might be another chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. So the big news is just stay out of the water and off the beaches tomorrow.
Yeah, and I guess keep the umbrella handy later in the week and be prepared for the heat. Thanks, George.
Boy, after the heavy rain earlier this week, today was delightful. Enjoy this kind of weather. Tomorrow, we have about a 4-hour period where there'll be some showers and storms rumbling through. We'll give you the timeline on that. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of those showers and thunderstorms late tonight off to the northwest counties, ending by early afternoon elsewhere. It's also blue. That means a little bit cooler weather in view.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And if you are planning to do a little dog walking here this evening, look at those blue skies for Bailey. Yeah, we're giving you the green paw for Tim and Carrie to take you out. Should be an enjoyable evening with temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow morning, though, get out quickly because there'll be a 4-hour period where there'll be some showers, maybe even some thunderstorms. It could be the yellow paw at 8 o'clock in the morning. Because of the showers and storms, not as much sunshine as we saw today. So our green energy report, 4.8. Instead of 8.4 that we had during the day today to generate green electricity from the sun. And in terms of wind, look at that wind, 7 out of a 10. Yeah, it's going to be rather windy. That is building waves out on Lake Michigan as we speak. We'll have more on that coming at the 6 o'clock hour. Clear skies across the area right now, but we're casting our eyes up toward Minnesota right now where there are showers and storms. That's out ahead of a cold front. Those winds are increasing from the south out ahead of that front, and then they're going to shift to the north-northwest as the front goes through during the morning tomorrow. Now tonight there is a slight risk for severe weather up here in the arrowhead of Minnesota into northwest Wisconsin. We have no risk for severe weather here tonight, and even tomorrow I think we have a little to no risk here in West Michigan. If there is any active weather, and I don't think there's going to be a lot, it's a marginal risk, 1 out of 5, and it's generally to the east of the greater Grand Rapids area. Let's put you on the timeline. Here come the showers and storms. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. The meaningful showers and storms from about Big Rapids over toward Muskegon. That's going to slide on through, and then we have some afternoon sunshine. Clear skies for the most part overnight tomorrow night, and on Friday we have plenty of sunshine to go around, and we'll continue this on Saturday and Sunday as well. Rainfall, I'm not going to see anything like what you saw the other night, maybe 3/4 of an inch, a little bit more up toward the Ludington area. Casting our eyes further ahead toward the end of August, a little bit higher chance that we could sneak in a little bit cooler temperatures than the upper 70s. And in terms of precipitation, a little bit higher chance for less precipitation. Out on Lake Michigan, a couple of spots, the water temperatures have dropped into the 50s and 60s, 70s elsewhere. So for tonight, showers and thunderstorms moving into Ludington Hart late tonight. It'll be breezy all night long, mid and upper 60s for lows. Low and mid 60s up north. You'll probably stay dry all night, and clear skies this evening, and then becoming cloudy late tonight. Overnight lows in the low 60s. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Thursday with that marginal risk to the east of us as a little haze moves on in. Cool Friday, but back into the 80s starting over the weekend. It gets also very humid all the way through next Tuesday. There's another chance for some showers and thunderstorms the following Thursday night and Friday. Strong winds late tonight are going to build some waves overnight, and they'll be crashing on the beaches here tomorrow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because we also have some showers and thunderstorms in sight, mainly early tomorrow. It's also blue, a little cooler weather in view for your Thursday.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Temperatures today warming into the upper 70s, even 80 plus to our east. Our average high is 81, so it didn't quite make our average high, but we matched our forecast high. That is a bullseye on your Wednesday, 6 days in a row within our target. Out on Lake Michigan, we have gusty winds around 15 miles per hour, 20 mile per hour winds there. And as you can see, waves are running around 1, 2, maybe even 3 feet on the north end of the lake, and that's where the higher waves will be at Holland State Park. Not looking too bad there. Beautiful sunshine. And our Lake Michigan Earth Cam not working at the present time. And also down in South Haven, just some flat waves there this evening. But the winds are going to start to pick up from the south, and then they're going to shift to the northwest. In this area, you can see where the yellow is and some of the orange. That is 6 to 10 foot waves. And that's what's going to be crashing through late tonight and during the morning tomorrow before those winds finally come down. As far as our timing for showers and thunderstorms, clear this evening. Should be a beautiful evening to get out and enjoy a sunset. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Showers already down to Holland, up to the Big Rapids area, because the showers are coming through early in the day with some rumbles of thunder and moving on out after about 4 hours. I think the risk of severe weather here in West Michigan is pretty close to zero. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. There may be a couple of storms that pop up to the east. They're going to be very widely scattered. The end of the day, pretty quiet, maybe a passing shower, but clear skies Thursday night and sunshine all day Friday. We'll continue with the sunshine both Saturday and on Sunday as we warm up from the 70s into the 80s. In terms of our rainfall, this is through daybreak tomorrow, about 1/10 of an inch, maybe a little bit more up toward Ludington. All told, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch is certainly possible as that line comes on through for about 4 hours in any one location. We have those gale warnings in effect tomorrow with about 8 to 9 footers early part of the day, and then they drop to 5 footers by the end. I'm sure there'll be double red flags at all the state park beaches here during the day tomorrow. Let's check our forecast then for tomorrow. We are looking at forecast for some showers and storms early on, mid-70s, as it is rather windy there throughout the day. Northern areas, you can expect that morning shower and then some afternoon sun, low and mid-70s here. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, we'll be into the mid-70s for your highs. Here's your 13 on your side forecast. SPC has us in a category 1 out of 5 to the east of us tomorrow. That's why we've highlighted Thursday with that green bar. 72 on Friday. That's a bit cool, but back above average starting Saturday along with higher humidity. Very warm, very humid through next Tuesday. Next chance of rain after tomorrow will be the following Thursday night and Friday.